Hey Mario, this is George with Underdog Leads, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple things you can do right away to start generating a lot more clients that come to the site. So check this out. Immediately, I kind of noticed that one of the things that you should do is put a lot more content on your site. So although you have a nice looking site, don't get me wrong, this is nice looking. One of the most important factors to being indexed with Google and fully recognized for what you're trying to offer is having a lot of content. And I always recommend 1,500 words on a homepage. Looking at this, you ain't got much. Maybe you might have like 50 words. So I know you do credit repair, credit rebuild. I see this right here, credit rebuild. So I looked up credit rebuilding services. Now this led me to some ads. Obviously this costs quite a bit of money. It's not sustainable. Next thing, it was credit repair companies, how do they work? So it's just a bunch of recommendations. But the first person that actually kind of popped up was Credit.com. Look at these guys. Right away when I get them to their site, I noticed they got quite a bit of words. Right, I'm going to use my tool here. It's estimating they have 3,800 words. So yeah, I would take that 1,500 I said and actually change that to about 4,500. Okay, you want to beat them in every single aspect. You want to be more informative than them. It has to be keyword rich and it has to be topic relevant. Okay, so keywords, for example, keyword is credit rebuilding services. And these are kind of things that you really want to rank for. Credit rebuilding services, credit repair, things like that. So that's enough about content. The second most important thing actually is something called a backlink. Now, a backlink is a clickable link on somebody else's site that when you click on that, it goes to your site. Okay, so it says you have one backlink coming from one referring domain. Now, let me show you what your competition is doing, and you'll be able to kind of tell the difference. So they have over 5,000 backlinks coming from 779 referring domains. Okay, so you can kind of see off a numbers thing just purely how they're beating you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Obviously, you're also going to want to be in relevant sites. That's where you want to put your backlinks. So, for example, a good backlink would be on another credit building or financial website. You're not going to want to be listed on Pizza Hut because obviously there's no relevancy there. You don't sling pizzas for a living. So if these numbers are good, those are really high. That is going to give them some decent metrics. So DR is domain rating. This is effectively the trust factor. And this is out of 100. So 79 out of 100. UR is URL rating. This is 44 out of 100. Organic keywords. This is how many different keywords that they rank for. Not necessarily mean they're ranking the best, but they're at least in the race. So 6,800 keywords. Says you rank it for 0. We can look at the metrics as well. Your trust factor isn't there because of the lack of backlinks. They got 79. UR, this is a power factor. You had 0. These guys got 44. Now, with all of these backlinks and referring domains, it's going to bring them a whopping 11,700 people coming to their site organically. Now, again, this is not the entire site. This is only for this credit repair page. Okay. So 11,700 people coming. The lack of backlinks is going to get you 0. So these are some of the biggest things that I think that you really need to change. Now let me kind of get into this a little bit, and I want to show you some of the ways that they're getting their traffic. So how to increase credit scores is the keyword. It's searched for 13,000 times. They're getting 354 clicks from that, and they're number 10. Okay, so that kind of shows you a lot. Credit repair services, 6,900 times this is searched. They are getting 271 clicks from that. Fix my credit, credit lawyer, how to improve your credit score. I mean, you can kind of see a lot of these things can be super helpful. Now, credit repair companies, there's 10,000 searches. They're on the second page, but they're still getting 64 people clicking on their site. So, with all that being said, I'm sure you can understand that the amount of content you have on your page is super important. Okay, the amount of backlinks you have, as long as they are really authoritative and quality, you can really boost your rankings. Okay, so if you want to talk about more how to implement this and how this can be effective with your site, just reach back out to me. My name is George. I'm with Underdog Leads. My phone number is 830-200-6772. Once again, I'm George with Underdog Leads. You can give me a call at 830-200-6772. Thank you.